Hello everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. Do you make a resolution for the new year? Whether it's to read more books or eat more veggies, to quit smoking or build a better budget, lots of people make resolutions for the new year. Now, how many people stick to said resolution much past February is another story. Whether you do or don't in previous years, my suggested resolution to you this year is to be safe online and cyber secure as you possibly can. Good thing this is a resolution you don't have to tackle alone. Call us here at Larry the Computer Guy and let us help you and your business stay secure this year. Looking forward to hearing from you and hope you have a happy new year.